He would do another random lift tour around First and Me Avenue Zone, but this time is not what you think. This time it was in reverse. Anyway, it's random lift tour time, and this random lift tour exactly began in Tomas de Villa Street, which is why I've said this random lift tour around First and Me Avenue was in reverse. Anyways, let's get this started. Well, looks like this time I have the audacity to do a random lift tour around the First and Me Avenue Zone, but this time reversed. Never mind that. This is already from last time. Oh man. I never got to film this on various times. Seems to have quite interesting this. And it's just true because they were always interesting. From them just 2 times. I apparently found these to be interesting as hell. Let's see before. See if it's open before I get into 10. Nope. Well, I guess I'll do 10. And now 10 Tomas de Villa Street. Now to the first lives. Well, this is what you have not expected to see in any of these random episodes in these 6 years of filming. And what timing is that? Is that you never expected 2 different lifts in the flat building itself, and the lift that goes down to basement is an original lift that got modernized by an Inter, and the other lift that doesn't even go down to basement is a cornet. This flat building was refurbished in around late 2015, and also. And in around late 2015, and nothing else much to say. It used until late 2015, the lift that gone down to basement was modernized by an Inter. And speaking of the cornet, this now has an interlogic and had its indicators decommissioned. Anyways, let's ride these. There's another lift, which is quite different to this one. It's a cornet. This used to be an original 80s which I don't remember the brand. This now has been modernized into an Inter. Oh my, that door is fucking crap. This guy's still original. So's the key switch to basement, I think. Isn't it a good thing that the car is still original to this day? I'll take another beer. Because why not? So the indoors were still original. Here's the lift. Now this lift used to have its indicator working, but not anymore. Now this runs into an interlogic, because an intersect so, mate. The carry wheel is still as how it is today. Now that the outside indicator works. And while the screen was in a very bad condition. This is like how I did last time I was here. But you know, as it's daytime, it's like last time, but last time I was here, but reversed. Are those, what am I seeing right there? Are those footballs? Seem to be, they seem to be footballs. You have it around your seat? Yes, yes. No, I'm going to get 12 this time. Now we got some. Now what's next is some interesting ThyssenKrupps. No. And now at 12 Capital around the street, and we got some really nice ThyssenKrupps lifts. Let's go. But annoyingly, the lift that goes down to basement lost its windows on the inner doors because they got fucking replaced. Now it's how I thought. It used to have windows on the inner doors, but not anymore, as they got the inner doors fucking replaced. But the car still is how it is. However, this one still has windows on the inner doors. And it says the same cow as the last one. Ground. Well, this one is not open, but I already filmed the lifts in this one 2 times, and I don't care, I'm not gonna film those. But I'd say, do you really get something like this in England? Nope. You don't get any. You wouldn't get anything like this in England because they're quite because the flat buildings in England are quite different to ones we have in here in Spain. I got to film the new lift another time. Oh, that seems to be quite annoying. So for a reason it just stopped between 7 and 9. Facebook notification and the Jubilee line 96 stuck. What the fuck, mate? From this one time, but don't bother coming back. Even though they had originally ThyssenKrupps lifts. But it's bad enough how these fabrics are losing the originality. It's in base. That lift is embasined. Simply, I'd say it's bad how these fabrics are losing the originality today. This one quite has still original lifts. It's original structure too. Even though you would find listening to these things to be quite interesting. Well.
¿Tienes sobrecitos o tienes no, caja metálica no tengo sobre, pero
And now 27 First and May Avenue. This used to have an old toys lift, but it's modernized into a new one. Okay.
eat you alive, you nasty cunt! I fucking hate you! You hate my arm!
I know, they should have told you. They should have told. Looks like the residents in 74 Street don't have money to refurbish their hall. Looks like they don't have any money. Like, are they fucking broke or something? But not gonna make fun of that. We're only 3 days. That's fucking fine. But would have gotten more. I hated how this kindergarten puts open toilets. Oh, this is disgusting. Because what would we so if any of the children went there, would it be resulting to be groomed by any of these residents? It would be imagine if one of these was caught doing pedophilia. Was this school is still an operation? Ugh, that's... Is it open? Nope. Imagine grooming children. It's this. Plus stuff like that is a serious crime. You could have a life sentence in jail if you actually commit pedophilia.
मैं आऊँ